Elastic cartilage. A great place to see elastic cartilage is in an ear. This is a section of probably a mouse ear because it sure has a lot of hairs in it. Let me show you, let me zoom in a little bit. And here's some nice, dense, irregular connective tissue. And these are all cross sections through hairs. Here's one emerging to the surface. All right, so this is probably a mouse ear. And if we move to this strip, we see that this ear has a strip of elastic cartilage running all the way through it, and that will help the ear be, well, elastic. So this tissue here is the elastic cartilage. Let's sneak up for a better look. You'll notice all these round spaces. Those are lacuna. One is a lacuna, and many is a lacunae, A-E. Inside those are the chondrocytes. So all cartilages have chondrocytes. Chondrocytes live in lacunae, and you will see chondrocytes in all three of our cartilage types. So true to its cartilage form, this elastic cartilage has chondrocytes and lacunae. And these are characteristic of elastic cartilage. They're very big. They almost look like corn kernels to me. But they have very large cells and very large lacunae. In between those are these little black fibers. Here's one, I'll follow it along. Here's one, and those are elastic fibers. So elastic cartilage has elastic fibers. The cells are chondrocytes. Chondrocytes live in lacunae, and there is plenty of matrix, and this matrix contains fibers. Fibers contains our elastic fibers.